Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with the MD rubber window seal. We get this for our studio door. As you know, we're building our studio, so we're getting our little stuff together. So if you watch our previous videos, you saw our stuff that we start out with. So this is the seal that we buy for the studio door. Can use for both windows and doors for keeping in sound or keeping out stuff. So I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is it, guys. This is what it looks like. And this is about 2 8.5 strips. Yes, that's what it says. So this is it, guys, and we will do a video for all this stuff. So when we're putting up the doors, we will show you what it does. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.